shit that I'm into. Zien, I'm your host P Fire, aka P is for perfectly sunny day. What a beautiful day, people. Hope you are well, hope you're enjoying the sun, hope you've been enjoying the weather. I know it's been a while, right? But anyway, we're gonna get into that on another segment, you know what I mean? But for today, we're gonna do another episode of nice bit of kit that. You already know how I do this. I'm gonna go around the camera, come back and shot, and we're gonna do it like we're doing it for Netflix. So let's do it. Doing it for Netflix, oh my gosh, doing it for Netflix. Guys, I know you've missed my singing, and here I am back with the singing sounds of singness. I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm saying it. Anyway, beautiful people, today we have this Uniqlo Andy Warhol times Kaws Coach jacket. Yeah, let me give you a little twirlage and then we're going to get into it. I'll give you a little twirl to the Age to the twirl, little back, I was going to say back it up, pause, let me reverse a bit. Alright, my beautiful people, should we get into it? Let's get into it. So guys, today we have this, like I said, Andy Warhol times Kaws Uniqlo Coach jacket. As you can see, it's in this resplendent navy blue, super nice. Let's start from the cuff edges. In fact, no, there's my waist right there, comes just past my waist, as you can see right there, super nice. There's my waist, comes just down, you know what I'm saying? All right, let's go to the cuff edges. As you can see, left hand side, right hand side, equilibrium certain beautiful thing. If you want to do the little dance, make sure you do it, don't forget. Guys, as you can see, we have these elasticated cuffs right here, like your favorite jogging bottoms. Cute little elasticated cuffs, you know what I mean? Enough elastication to put another hand in, so if you ever fancy, like I said, you know, doing the special traditional dance, you can put your hands in so they're secure and you don't drop them down, you know what I mean? Form is everything, people, form is everything. Anyway, so yes, elasticated cuffs, beautifully nice, can put a hand in, like I said. Let me step back. Okay, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 buttons, and they go all the way right here like a shirt, as you can see. So they go to the base of the neck, not the roof of the neck, as you can see. Nice little collar, normal shirt kind of collar thing. Let me just give you a turn around so you can see. Et voila. As you, like I said, 7 buttons. The button all the way up like so. Voila. There you go. Lovely. Left hand side, right hand side, what do we like? We like a skyrocket. And isn't this skyrocket, good lord, walking down the street with your hands in the skyrocket, perfect positioning, as you can see right there. Boom, 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 you put your hands in, you're good to go. Walking down the street, everything gravy, everything sweet. Down the street, hands in your pocket, beautiful. Now, what can you put in these pockets here? I'm going to tell you what you can put in here. In this pocket here, you can put all the computers you're going to need to get the tickets for Oasis on Saturday. You're going to put all those computers in here, right? Boom, boom, boom. So all the computers you need. In the other side, you're going to put all the servers you need so that these computers can actually access the necessary. So all your servers go in here, all your computers in here. If you're planning on hitting the tickets, you're going to need extra computers and extra servers. This jacket is perfect. Put your hands in, put your hands in, put your servers there, put your computers there. You're good to go. Everything gravy, and you must at least be able to get 1 ticket after doing all that work. Anyway guys, what am I talking about? Waffling. Oasis are back together. If you haven't heard, where have you been? Get with it. Anyway, as you can see, left hand side, right hand side, equilibrium certain beautiful thing, very, very roomy. And in the pockets, let me just show you, you've got a little bit of nettage there, a bit of netting, and of course we all like a bit of netting. Makes us feel that we can also catch fish with our jackets. It doubles up as a net catcher. A net catcher? It doubles up as a fishing net. God, it's been a while, guys. All right, as you eagle eye amongst you would have seen, there's a graphic on the back. Let me give you the graphic like so. So you have the Kaws figure, and then you have a robot type of thing, Andy Warhol-ish. Let me just take this off so that you can have a propaganda at the propaganda. You see what I did there? Do you see what I did there? Okay, as you can see, you got your robot there, robot, and then you got your Kaws figure right there. Really, really dope actually. I love this graphic. This is like a simplified you know, kind of child's drawing. And then this is a little bit more detailed with shading and super dopeness, as you can see. Really nice. Now if you look inside, of course you've got your labels telling you what's what, who's where and where they're doing it. Of course you see Kaws and Warhol, you know what I'm saying? Label says Kaws and Warhol. It's kind of like a nylon-y material, not quite nylon, I'm not sure. I'll tell you what it's made of in a moment. So this is, sorry, polyester, like a shell material. That's right, a shell material. Of course you see the inside there, resplendent little graphics right there. This is kind of like a nylon-y material, maybe polyester again. You've got a light bulb and some lips, I believe. My eyesight's not that great, but you can see for yourself. Of course, let me just show you this again so you can see well. Voila. So I think that's it, my beautiful people. What else is there? Let me make sure that's it. Oh, you've got a secret little inside pocket right there, and once again you put your hand in and you've got bare room, you know what I mean? You can keep all the Oasis tickets that you manage to secure in there, and they'll be nice, safe and secure. I say safe and secure, there isn't a pop down, so you know you want to be careful if you do secure them in there. But yeah, super nice, guys. Of course, if you look on the front, I already showed you, Warhol, Kaws, really nice. Super summer jacket, nice and light. Maybe a spring jacket, depending on what your body temperature's like. I tend to heat up quite a bit, so as long as I'm not rushing, I could probably wear this. But on a day like today is Wednesday and it's super hot. So yeah, if you watch this today, if I upload it, then you know what I'm talking about. If you watch it tomorrow, same thing. But yeah, beautiful piece. My beautiful people, I hope you've enjoyed the jacket. I've enjoyed showing it to you. As always, it's a pleasure. The sun is beating down. This hat's doing me no good, neither is this jacket. I can't wait to finish these and get out. But guys, please leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Please share, please like. Yeah, and as usual, let me know. Are you looking to pick this up? Is this something that you would wear? Is it your kind of style? You know what I'm saying? 12 RJ to the 12. Yeah, let me know, guys. This has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. I've been your boy P Fire, aka P is for I don't know. P is for parchment paper. And this has been Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into the end. Guys, stay dope, stay fly. I'm catch you on the flip side. Peace.